Okay, so we have another example of the order of operations. I have to point out one thing though here. See those straight lines? So it's like this. It's kind of hard to see them, but they're not ones. Those are like straight lines. And it's for absolute value. So just a brief review of absolute value. It means how far away are you from 0? So if you have the absolute value of 7, that's equal to 7. If you have the absolute value of -7, that's also equal to 7. Because on a number line, here's 0, right? Here's 7, here's -7. They're the same distance from 0. It's just one's to the left and the other's to the right. So that's how I think of absolute value. Sometimes students think, oh, well, it makes everything positive. Well, you have to look at what's inside the absolute value. And then, yes, it will take that absolute value and not assign a positive or negative to it. Okay, so that being said, it's also, for our purposes in the order of operations, it's a grouping symbol. It's like parentheses or brackets. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at working that 5 minus 8 inside the absolute value. And we're also going to look at the 4 minus 1 inside the parentheses. Everything else is going to get copied down. So I'm going to have 6 minus the absolute value of -3, because see, 5 minus 8 is -3, right? Plus 3 times, and then 4 minus 1, see, I should color coordinate this, is 3, right? Okay. I'll color coordinate it. Been doing too many videos today. All right. So it's a -3 because that's the 5 minus 8 part. And then in a minute, we'll have to do the absolute value. Okay. So, and you might say, well, where does absolute value fall? Well, we're going to do it right now. So 6 minus, and then this is just going to be 3. Plus, I can go ahead and do this multiplication. It's not going to hurt anything. 9. 3 times 3. Now, we have to be careful on this next part. Because remember, addition and subtraction, you don't do all the addition and then all the subtraction. You go left to right. So first we need to do 6 minus 3. Well, 6 minus 3 is 3. Then we're going to do plus 9. And then 3 plus 9, that's going to be 12. Okay, so a couple things going on in that problem.